Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thinking about studying in the UK in 2025. That's amazing. But I know what's on your mind. The student visa. It can seem super complicated, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you, step by step. Let's make this journey as smooth as possible. First things first, you can't apply for a visa until you have a confirmation of acceptance for studies, or CAS, from your university. This is your golden ticket. Most universities will issue your CAS about 3 to 4 months before your course starts. Once you have that, the clock starts ticking. You can apply for your visa up to 6 months before your course begins. My advice: apply as early as you can to avoid any last-minute stress. So, what documents do you need? Besides your CAS and a valid passport, you'll need to prove you have enough money to cover your tuition fees and living costs. This is called the financial requirement. The exact amount depends on your course and where you'll be living, so double-check the official government website for the latest figures. You'll also likely need your academic transcripts, your English language test results like IELTS or TOEFL, and a tuberculosis test certificate if you're from a listed country. It's a good idea to create a checklist and gather everything in a folder so nothing gets missed. The application itself is done online through the official UK Visas and Immigration website. You'll fill out the form, pay the application fee, and also pay the Immigration Health Surcharge, which gives you access to the UK's National Health Service. After you've submitted everything online, you'll need to book an appointment at a visa application centre in your country. This is where they'll take your fingerprints and a photo. After that, it's the waiting game. Processing times can vary, but you can usually expect a decision within 3 to 4 weeks. Once your visa is approved, you'll either get a sticker in your passport or instructions to collect your biometric residence permit, your BRP, when you arrive in the UK. And that's it. You're ready for your UK adventure. I know this is a lot to take in, but planning ahead is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on studying in the UK. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.